We are here to Staten Island on the ferry named Molinari, docking shortly. Festival right there, I can't wait.
All passengers must depart the ferry at this time. Passengers wishing to make the return trip must exit into the terminal and enter the waiting room to await the next ferry.
Bless you.
It's like not good to have that strap back.
All passengers must depart the ferry at this time. Passengers wishing to make the return trip must exit into the terminal and enter the waiting room to await the next ferry.
Oh boy, here he goes. Yep, he's going to hit the ball.
Yeah, there was a fun thing to do.
He's doing pretty good. He didn't bump.
Yep, it's going to be bumpy, alright. That was horrible. We talking about mishaps of a docking. Where'd it go, guy? Where'd it go? He's not happy today. I'm gonna be the first one to get off. Sherlock, Staten Island Ferry.
All passengers must depart the ferry at this time. Passengers wishing to make the return trip must exit into the terminal and enter the waiting room to await the next ferry.
All ashore, please. All ashore. All passengers must depart the ferry at this time. Once again, all passengers must depart.
This ferry might be out of service.
They always say that.
Please exit the ferry.
Yeah, but it's gonna be on service.
You'll be directed to the next ferry
I
going.
just want to make sure everybody gets off before I let people back on.